tighten the last one.
Good. Give it a pull.
Alright.
She's breathing nice.
Like a big buffalo, only made of iron.
Come on, friend. Let's walk her home.
Tomorrow we plow the North Field.
ไปวิ่งซ้ายหน่อย
ได้แล้วพี่
ปึ๊บเอาแรงอีก
ลึกลงอีกนิดนะ
ดีๆเดินต่อไป
ลงมานานระวัง
รับรู้แล้ว
Guys, slow.
Buffalo keep steady let the blade bite
Good, straight line.
The furrow's clean. Look at that. She runs strong today.
Oh, because the fat is very well.
Buffalo still has heart
Listen and
Lurus itu garisnya ya. Macam buku di benang. Besok siap satu petak lagi.
Terima kasih, Guru Besi. Morning, old friend. Careful on the path. Smoke's thin today. She runs good. Tighten that bolt, boy. Let her rest.
Yes, Uncle.
Eat. Work waits for no one.
She feels lighter tonight.
She knows the way home.
Hei, cepat. Pegang dia. Tahu kan? Janganlah kawan.
เสร็จแล้วล่ะเจ้าควายเหล็ก
Steady now.
Easy. Good boy.
Sound like water buffalo.
Get a bot.
Yes, that's it.
Whoa, good one, buffalo bot.
More sack up this and we're done for today.
You eat well tonight.
Easy there, old friend. Mud's deep today.
he listens better than my own voice.
Maybe because he doesn't argue back. Hand me that wrench, quick. Here.
Rain's coming. Bring him in.
He likes the music. We all do. Warm night, good fire.
Got it.
The smoke's steady. She's happy today.
We'll finish this plot by nightfall.
Then we rest. Look at her, walking with us like an old friend.
She is an old friend.